Hi, I'm Zach. I'm 9 years old and I'm grade 4. Today we are going to discuss how seatbelts can keep people safe during a car crash or a car collision. For this experiment, I'm gonna use both of these toys to show you inertia and car collision. Now, the car is at rest and the object is at rest. The type of inertia they have is to stay at rest. But when they move, what happens when it collides with another car? When this car will be in motion to stay in motion. Let's find out. Why did the object fall out and move? Because while the car is moving, the object is actually moving. But when it collides, it makes the car stop, and it's the object on top wants to move. So that's why it fell down. But what happens when this car will be moving, collide with another car? Now, when you have your seat belt, it can keep you put in your seat. And this is the result. Now I will tell you how to use a seat belt. This is the seat belt. And I'm going to show you how I wear it. The seat belt goes to your shoulders and your hips. And this is how it keeps you safe. When you pull, it can only work if you have your street posture. But it cannot work when you're like this. So that's the disadvantage of a seat belt. So what I learned today is how inertia can affect other objects during a collision. And also I learned how seat belts can keep people safe while during a collision between two cars. And always put your seat belt and you'll be safe. And I hope you learned from my video. Bye.